Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on HONOR X7c. So you have to start by selecting your language and then click Get Started, and now you have to select your region and then click Continue. Now you have to agree to terms of use and then click Continue, and here you can insert your SIM card or you can just click Continue. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi network or you can just click Skip. And here you have to say date and time and then click Next. Now you have to scroll down and click Accept. Then click Continue. And here you can set up device protection or you can just click Set Later and then click Skip. Now you have to click on No Thanks and then just click Later. And here click on Enable and Continue. And here you have to select your system navigation method and then just click Finish. And as you can see, my device is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.